A mysterious issue ruined over 27,000 Plenty drinks. We've been getting reviews like viscosity seems completely off, is significantly thicker, they're all thick and not drinkable.
It's not good. We had to stop production and put all the pallets on hold.
After the production, the whole batch is quarantined for analysis, right? So why didn't we catch it sooner then?
It's not one of the analyses they perform.
How is that possible?
Possibly the sample that they evaluated from the batch production was a good one. This fraction of the production that was affected over time got thicker.
Apparently, a protein supplier ran out of stock and supplied us a similar product that was on paper exactly the same.
Food Bank wants to take all 12 of the affected pallets.
We're really glad that our drinks have not gone to waste. For you who got the defective product, we're really sorry about that. In the end, it will help people in need.
I love the Plenty.